Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling extended capture so the console will actually save long clips. Go to Settings, then Preferences, then Capture. Set record what happened to on and choose the maximum length available, often 10 or 60 minutes. If you need more than the internal limit, plug a USB drive formatted as FAT32 or XFAT. The Xbox will store longer recordings there. Once done, make sure game DVR and background recording are enabled so the system can write the stream continuously. Now adjust quality and storage so long recordings won't fail mid-session. In capture settings, pick standard for smaller files or high for better detail. Remember, higher quality consumes more GB per minute. Next, set or move the default capture location to your USB drive if you plugged one in. This prevents internal storage fills. Also clear old captures or lower bitrate and resolution if space is tight. Making these choices balances file size, duration, and visual fidelity for reliable long captures. Finally, you record and finalize the clip. Use the guide, open capture, and press record to start a manual session. You can also use record what happened for retro capture. After recording, trim in capture gallery or transfer the file to a PC for longer edits. If recordings stop unexpectedly, check that the USB drive has enough free space, is correctly formatted, and receives enough power. Also confirm background recording is enabled and no automatic updates or restarts interrupted the session. That single troubleshooting check fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.